Looking to stretch your lobes? You may have heard of a process called dead stretching, but what is that? Let's get into it. Dead stretching, or natural stretching, involves inserting jewelry that is slightly larger than the current size of the piercing. This method relies on time and the natural elasticity of the skin to accommodate the larger size over time. You will need high-quality glass or titanium single-flare plugs, no larger than 1 gauge size above your current size. You will also need a body-safe lubricant such as jojoba oil and plenty of time and patience. To begin, make sure that your piercing, hands, and new jewelry are all clean. Then gently massage your lobes with a bit of lubricant. Next, apply a small amount of lubricant to your new jewelry and insert it into your piercing. If you feel any pain or tearing or see any blood, stop. Your piercing isn't ready to stretch up and will need more time. Then, let your lobes rest and wait at least 1 to 3 months before stretching up again. During that time, massage your lobes about once a week to promote blood flow and help loosen and stretch your skin. You may also consider wearing heavier material plugs like glass to help weigh down your lobes. Once a few months have passed and your jewelry is beginning to feel loose in your lobe, you should be good to go up another size. It's important to go slow and in small size increments at a time. This process is slow and requires a lot of patience, but it is one of the top recommended methods for safely and effectively stretching your piercings.